Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me doing my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do my hair, and I'm just going to be doing my favorite hairstyle, and that's my short hairstyle. I am going to be doing it a little bit different today. So I'm also just going to be just putting a tail in the back because this hair is a little bit longer than what I usually get. So I'm just going to be doing that. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing my sideburns a little bit longer, and I don't know what I'm gonna be doing in the front. Today I am using the Styled Rapid strips on my head, and if you guys don't know what that is, this is exactly how it looks. Sorry guys, my hand, but this is how it looks, and I am loving these strips. This keeps your hair from getting ripped out. If you're putting glue in your head, it just keeps your hair protected and everything. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what type of hair I'm using. I'm using a 29 piece of this hair, and I'm literally excited. I did leave a little bit of hair out at the top of my head just so if I want to take it out, it could be more easier for me to just take it out. But let's just get right into this video because I am literally looking a hot mess right now, and I need to do my hair, okay? So I can't wait. It does come with a stocking cap as well. I always love to see if this stocking cap is in here. So yes, it does come with the stocking cap. And it also comes with a closure and a clear cap. This is the 3, 4, 5 in the hair. So I'm going to be using all of this. I did get this hair in a 1B. I did not realize that I got this hair in a 1B. And I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. So I'm going to be just putting this in my head. I was thinking about getting a lighter color, but I was just like, you know what? Whatever is in there, I'm just going to get it because I have to do this hair. And I look a hot mess. So I'm just going to be hiding my hair right here. And if you guys notice, my throat is really raspy or whatever you want to call it. I just got over a cold, so I'm so excited. So let's just get right into this. They literally like take this thing like somebody's going to take it, and nobody's going to take this hair, okay? I don't know what's going on with these beauty supplies. They literally tape this hair, this box all around like somebody's gonna literally take it, and nobody wants this hair. Like, I'm pretty sure nobody wants this hair, okay? And look how they just take this thing all up with it. Like, I can't get into my own hair. And this is how the hair looks. As you guys know, I did say that I am going for the tail in the back, and I wanted to make it long, so I'm going to use a little bit of my medium bundle at the bottom, and that's just what I'm going to go for. Or I'll probably just use my longer bundle at the bottom, but I really want to make my bangs full. I probably just use the number 4 at the bottom, just probably 2 tracks, that's all. And I'm just gonna go with that. And then I'm also going to be putting my stocking cap on top of this so that my hair can be protected. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so I am starting at the top and I'm using my number 4, and this is the last bundle that I'm going to use. And I literally pulled my cap back just so I can leave some openings right here. I'm not going to touch that part. I'm just going to put it on top of my cap right here, as you guys can see, just in case I want to just move my hair over and put a clip right there. You know, it can, you know, make it seem like it's natural or something like that. That's just kind of what I'm going for. So I'm done with my look. I'm literally excited about it. I literally just styled this hair without looking in the mirror. I was like, oh my god, I should have got a mirror, but I just let the camera keep rolling. So I literally styled this tail in the back of myself. Like, I'm so excited about it. Hopefully you guys can see exactly how I cut this hair. And I'm also just like happy that this hair turned out right, because I'm so excited. I'm loving this hair. This is like a Rihanna cut with the tail in the back, and then her sideburns was really long. And then, you know, she had her little bangs going in the front. I'm really in love with that. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about this hair. And also, if you love the video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And girl, I'm ready to show the world this hair. I'm literally excited. If it was another color like a red or something, that would have been so freaking pretty. I'm in love with my tail. Let me show you guys my tail. Let me show you guys my tail. Like, I'm loving how long the tail is. Like, I don't even have to move it around or anything. The tail makes it look so pretty. I'm literally excited that I did that. So after I got done cutting my hair, I just fluffed it up just to give it some texture on there, because I didn't want it to be like really thin, and I didn't want it to be like straight down. So I just end up fluffing it out so that, you know, it can give it a little body to it and stuff. So let me